China's deepening ties with Africa's gold mining industry have sparked global interest and concern. Chinese companies are investing heavily in gold mines across countries like Ghana, Sudan, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. These ventures bring advanced machinery and infrastructure, creating jobs and boosting local economies. Yet the long-term impact raises eyebrows. Critics argue China's involvement resembles economic colonialism. African nations often receive only a fraction of the profits, while Chinese firms reap the benefits. Environmental degradation and displacement of local communities further cloud the picture. The lack of stringent regulations allows Chinese operations to extract resources at minimal cost, often leaving behind ecological damage. By offering loans and infrastructure projects, they tie African nations into agreements that critics say compromise sovereignty. For many African nations, this engagement is a double-edged sword. Local narratives shed light on both promise and peril. Many African leaders view Chinese partnerships as a chance to modernize their economies. Countries like Ghana and Sudan hope these collaborations will fund development projects, from infrastructure to health services. The influx of Chinese capital creates jobs and builds capacity, offering short-term gains. However, the uneven playing field in resource agreements sparks concern. Critics argue that poorly negotiated deals prioritize quick profits for foreign investors over long-term benefits for Africans. This gold rush also highlights a broader global dynamic. Western nations, historically dominant in African mining, now contend with China's rise. African countries are using this competition to their advantage, seeking better deals from all players. This growing assertiveness marks a shift, as Africa demands a larger say in its future. However, the stakes are high. The question remains, can Africa leverage its resources for sustainable growth, or will history repeat itself, with wealth extracted at the expense of its people? How can nations balance foreign partnerships with preserving sovereignty and empowering local communities? Mention your thoughts in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share for more informative videos.